How to remove a token from your SafePal wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are working with tokens in your SafePal wallet and want to clean things up a bit, first of all, launch open SafePal application on your device and sign into your wallet. Once you're inside, go ahead and scroll through the coin list from your wallet tab. Locate the token you want to hide or remove. Once you do that, click the three dots at the top right next to All button and click on Manage Coins. Now, choose the token you want to remove or hide from the list and toggle off the switch right next to it, and you'll be able to see the removed level and the token will disappear from your wallet list. Removing a token does not delete your funds. You can always add the token later again. This is mainly for cleaning up your wallet view. So there you have it. That is how you can easily clear or delete your tokens from your SafePal wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.